Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Ecosport battery. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new 12-volt replacement battery. Locate your Ecosport's battery, which is usually found on the right-hand side of the engine bay, often beneath an ECU box. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative battery terminal first with your 10mm wrench. This prevents accidental short circuits. Next, you might need to remove an ECU box or a bracket that covers the battery, typically secured with 10mm bolts. Once clear, loosen and remove the positive battery terminal. With both terminals disconnected and any covers removed, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Note its orientation to ensure the new one is placed correctly. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to remove any corrosion, which helps ensure good electrical contact. Now, gently lower your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and matches the original setup. To complete the installation, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both with your 10mm wrench. Reinstall any battery hold-down clamps or covers you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. You might need to reset your vehicle's clock or radio settings after this process. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your newly powered Ford Ecosport.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.